Hey everybody, BK with Masada Tactical here with another video. Taking again advantage of the beautiful weather and being at a live shooting range to where I can demonstrate a few skills. And today specifically what I want to answer is a question we get a lot. As you guys heard in many previous videos by me and by Steve, talk about Israeli point and shoot, the way that we shoot. And the question is, what's the difference between that and traditional sighted shooting, advantages and disadvantages? So I will try to answer some of it in this video. This is probably going to be a multi-video series just because we can't answer it all at once. The biggest difference between sighted shooting and unsighted or point shooting is the idea of time. At close distances, I am favoring speed over accuracy. Now I got to be very specific. I'm not missing. I am still using mechanical structural processes to get shots on target. But I'm not wasting the time that traditionally takes to line the front sight on target, line it up with rear sight, focus again on front sight. Okay, all that process of using front and rear sight takes time. When my assailant is about 3 to 5 feet away from me, I can point my finger at you and know I'm gonna be on you and not use sights. So if when traditional point shooting, I bring the gun up and I spiral it in to get more of an accuracy with that spiral, the spiral is the one element that I'm gonna have to take out slightly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the pistol up, but I'm actually going to clasp both arms together with my pistol already vertical, pointing towards my thread. My elbows are still flared out. That allows me to manage recoil better and drive the gun straight forward, which would eliminate the chances of me deviating and missing the target altogether. My eyes are focused on the thread, but what happens is as I bring the gun forward, that dot would appear, allowing me to shoot without ever actually looking for the dot and staying focused on that target. Allowing me to find the balance between point shooting pretty quickly, right? But still knowing that dot is there and using it as confirmation for my shot. So every tool needs appropriate use, right? At longer distance, I obviously want to use sights, okay, make sure I'm precise. At closer distance, I'm going to favor speed, point, shoot. And the red dot is an added tool that I can use throughout the process. It's here to stay. Technology moves in a certain direction. We might as well jump on the wagon and learn how to use it to our advantage. Okay? Practicing this movement will allow you to point shoot, staying focused on target, and still acquire that dot and be on target as needed. We are always running shooting classes and firearms classes. Make sure to check our website and our upcoming events. Come and join us for a class. Let us know how we can help you and see what it is that we do that sets us apart from everybody else. I want to thank everybody for the comments, for the likes, for the shares. Please make sure to keep doing that, subscribing to our social media, okay, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And as always, if you have a question, let us know. Watch your six.